Hey, police, go with them. You're not resisting them because you're detained for shoplifting. Go over there.
I wasn't even. I just paid for it.
Get in the office.
I guess come on.
Your ID.
I don't have it on me. It's in the car, and I don't even
take
have
the bag off. Take the bag off.
For what?
Take the bag off.
What are you doing?
Put your hands behind your back.
For what? I didn't do anything.
Sit down. Sit down. You're going to jail.
For what?
You resisted me and them. Sit down.
I didn't resist anybody. What are you talking about? I didn't even do anything to resist anything. What the hell? Pour it out. Pour it out. There's nothing in there.
Oh, okay.
I already paid for that.
No, she paid for that. That's the only thing she paid for.
Call the people that are in
I don't care. Sit down.
My kids can't be in
down.
here with them. With us.
Sit down.
Literally, she's crying.
down.
Answer the
Sit
phone.
down. You're doing this. You're acting a fool in front of them.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Shut up. Shut up.
Heather, we're on the grocery side by the wine. Connie and Kiana screaming.
Nobody's coming in here.
They're pushing me. Come get my kids. They're doing crazy shit to me, man. They're doing crazy shit to me right now. Y'all give me a hug because they don't like black people. Give me a hug.
No, you should be embarrassed because you're acting like a shitty parent.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. You're stealing in front of your kids and you're going to jail.
I will get my credit card out and pay for everything right now if you want me to do that. But can you please not make my kids stand right here? Like, I promise to God, I will do that. If that's the issue. It wasn't swiped because it broke or something. Don't cry, it's okay. I did not grab you, bro.
I have you on video right here, grabbing my arm. You even cut my finger.
You pushed me.
I did not touch you.
Bro, yes you did. Bring the camera up.
You grabbed my arm and I never once
And you
touched
pushed me just right
never
there.
once touched you. My hands were on my phone and on the car.
Can you take them outside, please?
Okay, it's okay.
We're not going to keep talking.
What do you mean?
I'm taking this off of you because we're not going to have somebody on the phone while you're under arrest.
You're not going to do what? You're not going to do what? I'm sorry?
You're not talking to anybody.
Why are you acting like that towards me like I did something aggressive? I didn't do anything
You are.
aggressive.
You're resisting.
I didn't resist anything.
Okay, bullshit.
What did I resist?
It's all on camera.
What did I resist?
Okay. We're going to play stupid.
What did I resist though?
I'm done talking.
Let me know what I
You're just
resisted.
going to jail. It's okay? That's all you need to
What
know.
did I resist?
Okay.
If you want me to pay the cash money, I can pay cash instead
You're
of
not paying
EDT.
nothing because you had the chance to do it and you didn't.
I didn't.
Yeah.
EDT wouldn't go through.
Cool. And so you walked out of the store with all their Excuse me?
Can I get the car keys real fast?
You got your ID on you? Sit down.
For her car keys?
Sit down.
No.
Sit down.
Because I paid for
All right, well,
No, I just need her
I'm not
kids,
releasing any property to you unless
You're going to do what the f*** they're asking.
Hold on, wait.
Sit down.
Because you're pissing me off. At this point, I'm about to resist. At this point,
And
I'm
you're
going
going to
to
get
jail
thrown on the
anyway.
ground. Sit down. Sit down.
Put me on the ground. Put me on the ground. Put me on the ground.
Sit down.
Heather, they're choking me! They're choking me!
I got video.
Headquarters, send me another unit.
Ain't no one choking me.
He just put his hand around my throat!
You just, now you
He
just,
just put his hand around my throat! Are you serious?
We have cameras all over.
So pull it up then! He just put his hand around my throat!
Yelling.
No, he just put his hand around my throat! What is your name?
you just battered a law enforcement out.
I didn't do anything!
Yeah, you just charged at me and you
I
told
stood
me.
up like this.
Yeah, now you're getting in my face again. Sit
You're taking me to jail
down.
anyway.
She's being truthful.
You're taking me to jail anyway. I don't live in Florida anyway.
So
You
you're
think I
taking,
care?
you're taking.
I don't care.
Let me
I don't
understand
live
this.
here.
Hey, let me understand this. You're going to jail anyway, so add more crimes. Is that what you're doing?
I'm going to
You're
jail
gonna be
anyway.
more-
You're going to
you're
be a bitch anyway. You're being a bitch since you walked up to me because I didn't resist anything.
You resisted
You've been
them.
a bitch.
Walked away.
I didn't
Then you
resist
resisted
anything.
me. Yes, you
I didn't
did.
resist anything with
Okay.
you.
Okay.
You said police. I turned around. Straight up. I did.
Yeah, and then when I put you in handcuffs, you pulled away. You
No, I
finished up.
did not.
Sure.
We were already in this
Sit
room.
down. Sit down.
I didn't have to walk in this room.
Okay. Sit down.
What do you mean?
Shut the fuck up and sit down.
Don't tell me to shut
Sit
the
down.
f*** up.
Sit down.
Tell me.
I have
Watch
kids
out.
crying. I just need. Oh, well. Can you give me his ID so I can get my kids stuff? I just need might need to turn that thing close. Right.
You're an asshole, racist ass bitch. That's what you are.
I think you're racist.
No, you are. Because I didn't do anything until you aggressively handed me.
Okay.
They didn't do nothing until you aggressively handed
And
me.
then you kicked me in the face.
Nothing. I didn't kick you.
Okay.
She was hitting me and pulling me and sliding me on the ground. What do you mean?
Yeah, because you dead weighted. You're resisting
Are
again.
you serious?
Yep.
Where is my shit? Where is my stuff? Where is my stuff? Heather, they won't give me my stuff! They won't give me my stuff, Heather!
Can I talk to you a second?
No.
Can I not get the...
Heather, please give me
Nope.
my stuff! They won't give it to me!
for the-
My purse, my phone, my watch, everything!
Ariel, please be quiet.
I need somebody to get my stuff!
I'm trying.
I'm getting paid in 4 weeks and I need Rara to get me out and I will pay him back!
Calm down and be quiet.
I need Rara to get me out! I will give him the money!
What, Ariel? Be quiet.
No! Aggressively manhandle me and think I was supposed
Yeah.
to sit out and let you because you're police?
Okay.
You think I'm supposed to just let you manhandle me?
I hope you're ready to be a felon.
Aggressively handle me? No! Just because you're a police?
Ariel, you want me to call your mom?
No!
Okay. Can you tell me what she's charged with?
Battery LEO, resisting with violence.
Battery and resisting?
And then shoplifting and resisting retail merchant. So,
Okay. So 4 different charges?
Yeah.
Because we leave in 3 days, so how is that?
And I wouldn't be able to give her. I wouldn't be able to give her a citation if she was cooperative because she's not from around here.
Because she's not from around
Yeah,
here?
she's from Texas.
Okay. So it's going to be longer than 3 days is what you're saying?
It could be. I mean, I don't know. She'll see a judge in the morning.
Oh, okay. In the morning.
Good?
Yeah, can you just stand by with her? She is violent, so I gotta go in there. She's got family here. I gotta collect some evidence. So.
Who else? Just this chick right here.
Her and there was another gentleman here, and then she had 2 children. So I put her in handcuffs, and she's like, I'm already going to jail. She just stands up, hits in my face, pushes me with her chest, and I'm like pushing her back down. So I drag her out here. I'm like, all right, and she dead weights and then kicks me in the face while we're back here.
Nice.
Good chunk out of my finger.
Yeah, she kicked me when I got her out in the car. You okay?
Yeah, just cut me.
Where is it at?
Right here.
I'll have to take a picture. What did she do? How did that happen?
She, like, at this point right here, where I'm right here, I have a hold of the buggy, and then she grabs a hold of my wrist, and when she does that, my finger gets sliced by the buggy. Stings like a motherfucker. If you want videos of her resisting, we have the one in here, twice.
If you could save all of that,
Oh
that'd be
yeah,
great.
everything's getting saved.
And she admitted to everything. I didn't even have to read her Miranda. She said she admitted to stealing. She admitted to the battery. She was doing it as she was.
Good job, man.
Yeah, no. I don't understand. Like, she's like, get my kids out of here so she can actually fool even more.
If she wants to keep recording, we can trespass her too.
Let me roll down the window so you can just tell her not welcome back on the property.
So you're not going to be allowed back when you want here.
About you telling me nothing. I don't care. Bye.
You've been trespassed.
I don't care.
Can you just go ahead and just refresh my mind?
Okay.
So she
She was at
tried
the
to pay with the EBT.
Yeah. So she was at the self-check.
Yeah.
She scanned stuff. She was concealing stuff under the bags.
Okay.
She had them cancel it. They went to a register where she only paid for the Dr. Pepper and then walked out.
Okay.
And when I was over there, she grabbed my arm and
Can I take a picture of
Yeah.
your?
I have to go home.
It's fine. She grabbed this arm.
She grabbed this arm and pushed out.
Bro, ain't nobody do that fat ass wank.
I got video of it.
Just give it to them.
I'm not giving them anything.
You don't need to take it to jail.
Okay. Well, I can't take it all to jail, so it'll be turned in as property.
You can't do that.
I sure can.
Do you want me to hang out here until
They're
you're
not
done?
getting
Or?
my
That
stuff.
should be fine. She's just gonna be gone.
The whole car needs to go.
I can't. I don't.
Listen,
have enough.
I'm okay with releasing the car, but I have to know who you are, at least.
Well, I know I'll give you everything.
Okay, that's why I was asking you over there.
No,
That's why I was like, I'm
that's
not
my
releasing
ID. I
anything
don't
to
have
you.
my ID.
Brother. What's your name?
Heather.
Heather what? I kind of get now why she wanted her kids out, because so she can act up and resist arrest in front of her, without it being in front of her kid at least.
Our kids here?
that were here, and then she was like, "Yeah, let them go." I let them go, and then she starts resisting.
You said I resisted before, so what do you mean? You said I resisted before, so what is it?
So you resisted a retail merchant.
You are literally lying on me.
Okay, and then you resisted arrest,
Okay.
and then you resisted arrest out here, and then you battery LEO when you got in my car, kicked me in the face. Yeah, it's my fault that you stole, right? You admitted to stealing before I even got you in the office.
Make sure you turn in that camera.
Oh, it's gonna be turned in.
Is the groceries that she bought, is that being kept?
She didn't buy anything but a Dr. Pepper.
She bought.
She
only
stole
had one
everything.
thing on her receipt.
Yeah, so what? Here's her purse.
Thank you.
I cannot release. I just want you to understand. I cannot release anything if I don't know who you are. It don't make any sense.
No, it's cool.
And then she comes back after me like she's been doing this whole time and says, "Oh, it's stolen." It's stolen. Well, I'm just letting you know my point of view. It's stolen, and then she tries to come after the police department while I handed it to you, but I never got your name, and then they look at me like I'm the stupid.
Right. Yeah.
So she went to a register. She scanned everything. There was an issue, and then they voided the transaction. She went to another register where she was supposed to ring everything up. Well, she only pays for a Dr. Pepper, and then she walks straight out the door. Before I got here, they tried to confront her, and then she tried to walk away from them. And then that's when she started this whole fiasco. So,
Okay. This is everything I need, though, right? This is all her stuff she had with her?
Yep.
Okay, cool. And then you said one more time, the county?
the Scambia County Jail.
That's Scambia. You don't remember that?
The Scambia.
Oh, Scambia.
Scambia.
Sorry.
Thank you guys.
Love you!
Ariel was charged with battery on a peace officer, resisting with violence, larceny, resisting the recovery of stolen property, and battery. She posted bond totaling $5,000, indicating she was released 2 days later. Court records indicate she recently entered a plea of no contest to the 5 charges since all her actions were caught on camera.
Record everything!
As part of the plea, if she stays out of trouble, she will likely avoid any felony conviction.